A very good evening, everyone. It's great to be here. Hi, Karan, and hi, Adar. It was less than a month ago that the Indian media and entertainment industry woke up to the news, pretty sensational news, that Dharma and Adar Poonawalla were coming together to do a 50-50 joint venture, and that Dharma Productions would now be a partnership between Karan and Adar. This news was greeted with a tremendous amount of excitement, I think, in the Indian media and entertainment community, because as we know, a lot of consolidation has happened on the studios and the platform side, but we haven't really seen that much activity on the content creation side with regard to outside investment coming in to the industry. It's been a traditionally closed industry as far as outside investment is concerned. So Karan and Adar, I'm sure you're sick of the memes that have been circulated, but I can't help but say, Adar, I hope you're not going to be changing Covishield to a K. And Karan, I hope Brahmastra Zeneca is not going to be the name of your sequel to Brahmastra.
No, but I'm definitely changing the company to Pharma Productions now.
That's a good one.
Which was the other meme.
That's a great
And the
idea.
other one was Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Serum.
That's perfect. Now, this is CNBC, so unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do any more of those puns. I need to be all serious and businesslike. But since it is Karan Johar, I have to ask him what he was manifesting when he decided that Dharma Productions would now move into this new generation of raising capital. Because, as we know, films has been his passion, his father's passion, and Dharma Productions has been a passion project for all these years. So what were your personal and your business considerations? It'll be great to get a sense of both, because that'll give us a sense of where the media and entertainment industry is headed as well.
Thank you, Sid. Firstly, thank you so much for moderating this session. I couldn't have asked for someone better to do this. Thank you so much on behalf of both Adar and I. I have to say that contrary to what people might know of or feel of Dharma Productions, actually it's a rather nascent company where it comes to multiple productions and building it in a studio model. We actually began our journey when you were very much part of the family with UTV at that time, with multiple productions that we started with Wake Up Sid and I Hate Love Stories and a film called Qurban. And I signed my first deal, so to say, with Ronnie Screwvala. So the Parsi community has been very kind to me. And subsequently, we built Dharma Productions right up to 2023. So in a sense, our journey of producing multiple films and content has been 15 years old. Prior to that, it was just films that I directed, you know, that my father had curated over the years, which were very few films, really. And there came a point of time where I felt that we needed, for our own growth, we needed the investment. We needed to kind of not partner with everyone and increase our profitability. And therein came the decision to sell stake and, you know, build in a partnership with somebody. At that point, you know, we did all the due diligence, we did all the, you know, work, and the idea was to kind of create further verticals at Dharma Productions. Besides, we have Dharma, we have Dharmatic, we have an ad division at Dharma 2.0. But, you know, the whole idea to build our own distribution network, perhaps, or maybe dabble in the music arena and many other verticals is something that I dreamt of, but I needed the partnership for that. And in many ways, when Adar, who's been a dear, dear family friend for many years, spoke to me and we decided to come together on this, I felt it was the best decision for us because it was the coming together of somebody, like-minded people, and also someone who possibly would allow me my creative vision and yet contribute so strongly to the growth by giving me his terrific business insight. So I thought it was a great marriage of two minds, you know, and it really wasn't a big decision for us because when it came to partnering with Adar, it was just easy. It was like both Apurva and I, who built the company together, both knew that he was the best possible partnership for Dharma Productions and for where we want to take it.
No, thanks. That gives a great sense of what the considerations were when you were looking at doing this. And Adar, I'd love to ask you, from saving our lives over the last, decade, what is it that led you to believe that this was something that you wanted to get involved in? Because, of course, you've known Karan for many, many years, but one never really thought of you as being someone who had a great amount of interest in the media and entertainment business. So it'll be great to get your perspective on how you see the business and how you see this partnership as you go forward?
Thank you, Sid. You know, I was kind of as shocked as everyone else was for making this move. Let me just share some of my thoughts of why I went ahead very quickly to do this. You know, we've all been influenced by movies and films and shows from whenever, as far back as we can remember. But when this opportunity of partnering with an iconic brand and an iconic person like Karan, his ability to tell stories, to influence and change people's minds, making iconic films, putting out content like this, it is a soft power. There's no doubt or question about it. Now, how a corporate group could use that soft power to project and tell stories about what they're passionate about, or how it can help with our businesses, is yet to be seen, and that's something we're strategizing over. But you know, since this is such a serious news channel and we talk about IRR and all these kind of things, questions were asked, why did I pay so much? What was the basis of this valuation? And I didn't reply to any of those questions, because how does one quantify, you know, IRRs and the typical ways of EBITDA margins, and what's the clear line of sight to growth, and all these very serious financial questions one asks when you make any investment. These were the intangibles that I saw partnering with Dharma and with Karan. And of course, it's not such a bad business opportunity as well. You know, there's other verticals like music, distribution, building up more production on our content creation. These are things that will drive, you know, the next 5 to 7 years of growth at Dharma. And these were some of the reasons that I did it. And let's not forget, it's not such a bad idea to have a little bit of fun also. It's not all about just, you know, making money and getting returns. So these were the reasons and, you know, thinking behind why I decided to partner with Karan.
Yeah, no, I mean, you said, I guess people were asking you why you paid so much money. Karan might say it wasn't
Too
so
little.
much money.
Yeah.
I didn't know I had a value. I found out. You know, I have to say this, and I probably am not going to come across very clever when I do, but you know, it's just the way I want to come across is who I am. I was traumatized in so many of those meetings. You know, when we spoke, there were things and terms that I'm a creative artist. What is a put and what is a call and what is an exit?
A drag and a tag. I never thought we'd hear the words coming out of his mouth, and drag and tag.
And then he kept saying, you know, I will drag and you will tag. And I was like, I know what drag is in a totally different way. And I know what tag is from a price tag that I pay in the retail zone for. I know what put is and call is in a very different way altogether. But I had no idea what was happening when those Excel sheets would come in front of me. And you know, your reality is staring at you and you think that you've done something so wide and vast. And then there is a value put. So when people tell Adar, you know, like, you've paid so much money, I'm like, has he really?
I said that deliberately to give you a chance to say exactly that.
Because I feel like, firstly, I have to tell you, the dynamism displayed by Adar Poonawalla was almost inspirational to me and to everyone on. We cracked the major part of this deal on a Zoom call, I want to tell you. And he was like a superstar in that. Like, it was literally, he had a few questions which were answered, and then he was like, okay, so when do we sign? And I'm like, for 1.5 years, we're deliberating, we're talking about put and call and exit and entry and everything that you can think of. And then like he comes in, sweeping us off our collective feet. And I'm like, this is probably how I would have loved to do business if I could afford to. And I can't afford to, of course. He can. But I just thought it was also the most essential thing is, I'm here today feeling even more accountable and responsible than I ever was. Prior to this, I was like running my own ship, right? Apurva and I were two people. We ran our company like siblings. He took care of finance, admin, legal, everything, all the stress points, and I did the creativity. Today, I'm talking about profit margins, profitability, reducing costs. How do we show to Adar how immensely profitable we're going to make this conglomerate? And to me, that is giving me the most exciting sleepless nights. I never thought that I would feel this accountable in my life, and this is great accountability. This is what I think my father tried to make me and Apurva's tried to make me for the last 25 years of my life. Adar Poonawalla has done it in 3 months.
I'm so happy you said that, Karan. Thank you. I hope this is recorded and kept in the archives forever. So
Well,
thank you.
unfortunately, it is recorded. Everything I say today, I'm staring at Ajay Bijli, a big reason why we're here today. And I want to say the prices are really great at all multiplexes. The popcorn is cheap.
Now the current security investment,
I'm
he's
so
finding the
scared
popcorn
I'll
cheap.
get into trouble. I'm just staring at Ajay Bijli and I'm like, the Bijli, everything in those cinema halls is cheap. Go watch movies, guys. We need you. We need your footfalls.